ganito, mga score, mga wala po yan. Okay? Isa-isayin na natin. Unahin natin.
Let's start with candidate number 10, Joanna Erica Medina.
Okay, for the Magic 9 grand finalists, first is candidate number 10, Johanna Erica Medina. Let's have candidate number 20 join her. Cristina Esguerra.
I'd like to call on next candidate number 5,
Karen Timbol. All right, the excitement is building up.
Candidate number 11,
Maria Victoria Columbano.
Tama rin, Joey.
All right.
Yan na yan. Apat.
Apat na yan.
So, 5 more to go.
5 to go. Idagdag pa natin si candidate number 6, Maria Melanie Kapatayan.
Four to go. Next, we'd like to call on candidate number 1, Diana Licop.
Uy, yung susunod na tatandaan ko, nabiro ko ito. Nabiro ko yung numero na ito.
Baka biruin ka.
Hindi. Nabiro ko yung numero na ito. Isasama pa natin dito sa Magic 9 Grand Finalists ang candidate number 7, Marilu Malgapo. Sunny.
The 8th, we'd like to call on candidate number 21, Sheila Marie Allegro.
And what about this? The last to be called on for the Magic 9 Grand Finalists is candidate number 4.
Candidate number 4, Jennifer Umali. There you have it, the Magic 9. It will go into the final.
The talent portion.
Yes.
Top of the
And
list.
We'd like to turn you over to Plinky.